ayikho indoda engafuna ukusatisfy umfazi wayo empedeni. Yes, nekhaya ukuthi licine vela ama-out amaningi namhlanje ankawuzayo I can say is the main reason yenza ukuthi babe addicted. Uthize ngalelela yoshaya ngalenkawuza wadlula ngale emergency bayoshaya inkawuza sithi taste alantwana uzoza ukuthi kwenzakalani. I can tell you one story ngene-out yami ehlala eMteti. Into ebuhlungu ukuthi relationship manje yaphela. Naye waba naleti experience ukuthi makohlangana nemedi lakhe washaya ama-2 vele imedi lavuka labonga. Going forward imedi yilo bese likhipha inyuku ukuthi ambothenga wena na ungakabhema ngalento yakho vele ngizanguzwa. But you see the motivation ukuthi kwaze kwagcina kwaba nomntwana uphuluka azagcina be-addicted wazi ukuthi sexual. Kunat mentality ukuthi kufuneka imali. Nothing and no one matters. Engene endlini zabantu futhi ungene ekamareni ku-main bedroom na uthi uvulilayo ubona ukuthi la maphento akama-OLED walala awuthi uyabheka usho
laba sobise ukuthi ambulala vele
Things ama-speculate things over-mahosha now.
leyo bengifuna
Joe, we leave no stone unturned. Simnandi. Okay. Yo guys, welcome back to yet another episode of Realign with 925. You know we're doing it like we're doing it for TV, the podcast that other podcasters watch. Yo guys, you know the drill, you know what this podcast is all about. So today in Petum Chita, go by the name Uchanis. So Uchanis naye uze yizo sibekele store sakhe because naye une foundation, or what do you call it, bruh?
Yes, you can say it's a foundation. You can say that sizayindlalisa kahle nje masiloko sihamba.
Showcase, yeah, une foundation yokunceda amajita because naye he was once a user, so uzelana ngokuzo advisor and ne journey ayihambile ukuthi how did it start and wagcina sekakhonile ukuthi awancobe kanjani ama drugs. So I hope you're going to stick and enjoy this episode. So don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and also if ever you want to there is a thank you there after you subscribe where you can choose ukuthi uyafaka noma i2 aini noma i2 rand. It's up to you. Johannes kazi. Great love.
Angimnandi kunjani mfethu? Yeah.
Great futhi.
Hayi ngimnandi mfethu kunjani?
Great. First of all ke ku realign ke slogan sa like ukubonga ukuthi sithe mangibeka ngendaba ye-realign oba nokuthi ne-interest more especially ukuthi nawe ufuna ukunceda amajita yabona. Okay, so for abantu abangacavi ama-realigners uJohannes singasho ukuthi ubani wakuphi ukhule kanjani Green Sharp?
Mina nguJohannes Makamthweni. Yes, nginibulise icala. Let me greet you all ku-realign. I've been following nami realigning lokho ngekho la ikasi, so kancane I know ukuthi what is all about. Nami ngibona ngila ngizami nami ngizozivula nami ngizazisa ukuthi ngubani. Mina nguJohannes Makamthweni ke isibongo. I can say ngibone and breed yala ikasi vele ngisephola Mtoko mina ikasi. Ngifunde Thuthukani primary, ngafunde Emehlwane secondary, ngageleza nyana kancane tertiary. Yes, nje kwamanje ngibeke lapho ngangena emadrugsini into engiyacabanga ngifikisela inkulu ngangena emadrugsini. Yes, so nami ngifuna ukuthi thank you for the opportunity. Sikesa communicate anyana before yimbe ngizifuna la but isikhathi besingakafikanga yabo. So ngithena mangithola icall evela kuwe ukuthi hayi mfethu zwakala namvele kwangitshela ukuthi hayi mfethu uthi manje sekuyisikhathi yabo dalifunakala lento le. So mina nguJohannes ngi-recovering addict. I am also a motivational speaker. Ngiyacoacha namajita afuna ukuphuma ama-drugsini kanye namafemeli wabo nje. Basically I teach about the addiction. Basically I relate to my story because mina nginkawuze 18 years and then kule 18 years 10 years yakhona bengihlala estradini vele mara bastati Hillbrow Germiston njengoba la wonke lama hotspot vele ila bengitholakala khona. So this year I can say I am 5 years clean from ama substance. And then since mina before ngizocala I didn't have the opportunity ukuthi esigila kube ne-Grootman or kube ne-out elizongitshela ukuthi intwana yampeka la ama-drugs azokubhayizisa lapha nalapha. Ndize mase ngiphume e-drugsini I decided ukuthi mina ngcono ngimane ngihambela ezikolweni ngitshelele intwana ezincane ukuthi azini bafana bampekani la ama-drugs wona mnandi mara impilo ayayimisa total out. So ngikhuluma so I've been to almost 60 schools around Mpumalanga neLimpopo maybe kancane neGauteng kancane, but yes I've been more than in 60 schools in the past 5 years nje ngifundisa ngayi addiction, which is the reason I'm here ngishoyo nje. So nakuma events ngibhizi ngiyatholakala to share my story and to also share lessons. Into ebaluleke kakhulu namhlanje that I'll be sharing lessons nge-addiction kahle kahle ukuthi when we talk about addiction, what is it exactly but we are talking about.
I'm sorry ukungena emlomeni bro. I just want to ukuthi sicale ukuthi wena ucale ngokungena kanjani eMatraxini. Yeah.
Yes, mina bengisipane PC training in business college ngilecture yabo before ngizongena eMatraxini. And then bengumuntu ukuthi ngama weekend nami nokuzishayela maybe savana nyana 1-2 nyana vele nama out isidlala snooker crane ngapha katsatsi ngapha yabo. So kune autism ezinye bese besinokudlala nathi snooker crane bezingasa enjoy ibhiya yabo. By that time mina mangicala ukubhema bengakangcolanga kanje ukuthi umuntu obhema inyawo bukhona ukumkhomba hamba lapha endleleni ubone ukuthi lo obhema inyawo bakubanga. So sisasuka vele thina sibhemile almost 7-8 years kungakajampanga vele ukuthi umuntu obhema inyawo you can identify ahamba lapha endleleni. So nami mangena bekusasenjali bekuyi autism ziclean zicrane but masithenga ibhiya bebangasekho interested yabo. But ubabona ukuthi labantu they are relaxed mfethu bakhalm yabona vele ukuthi labantu ba stressless ba relaxile vele. Inkinga bese banayo bebacela ama-10 ama-choko bese baqalile ukucela imali vele they uyisasila ngakhona bese bayikwenza lokho. So mina in my mind bese kunalento le ukuthi le mali yami ngani bayidla ngani every day lamagents lawo nabangibona bona bafuna ama-10 bafuna ama-choko since ngisho ukuthi autism mangigren ngiyabagaya yabo. But iyavuka lento emqondweni ukuthi one thing ngifuna ukuyibona la ideng. Yes, njengoba ngisho ukuthi ngizopha ama lesson number 1 don't want to bona. Yes, don't want to bona. Cala lapho mina ingicale lapho vele I wanted to see cala ukuthi kanti yini le bayenza ukuthi ibhiya bangasayifuni. And then babe relaxed ngakhona vele. One time ngithengile inyuku azange bagcwalisele manje ngabagaya. Uthi nali clip ama out yayile ngihlaleni uyibhaya uzanayo nami ngifuna ukuyibona. Ngicela uyiphinda leyo. Don't want to see uzukhiphe nemali yakho. Mina ngisematraxini mawuyenza kanjalo vele ngizitholela inyoni.
Uyasho ukuthi
uyangithola ngizibambela inzunzu yes ngizitholela umuntu engizomsebenza maybe for the next couple of months vele ngizobe ngibhema phezulu kwayo. Yes ngizokuchazela ukuthi intwana yami wena ekhayikini nabangabona ukuthi uyakasinemani uzoba semathatheni nani faka imali la mina ngizokwenzela yonke into. And then kanjalo wena ubona ukuthi suya introduceeka manje nami ngabagaya amagents bavaya bashaya izolo babopha. First day angeke sikubonise nokuthi sibophana uzongena ama ready mates wahlele etafuleni vele uzotshela umcondo vele uzotshela ukuthi izolo because umcondo wazi izolo namangena nama ready mate ayi2 vele into eyangivula mehle yangithi eyathi nje khunyuliwe yabo zeli ngamavele bangitshela ntwana sala nge-DVD akumela nginuke intwana la ezimpahleni vele nani ngithi ngiya understand hayi akumela nginuke sharp nami ngiyakhumula vele impahla ziyagocwa kahle grand bekiwa la bekuboma past 8 maybe isikhathi so jumpers maybe ngisashaya 1 nyane savana vele ngene ngala shama 2 lapha ngeke ngikutshela ukuthi ekwenzakala after yini ngaphapha mixeni maybe ngaboma 10 past 9 to 10 kusasa khani ngivuka into engirealize ukucala ukuthi yesesimutha lana ngike epanchini lami kanti ngilele njani la kaBro. Sure. Yes nokuthi ngilele kanjani akukhumbuli. Yes mina musingigcine ngada akathathi ngishaya isavane ngishaye 1 musukuthi ngaze ngibe kanje ayikwazi futhi mina njenge out and ngitshela ukuthi ngiclever sengicala ucalculate yabona encondweni yami ukuthi kanti kwenzakaleni ngize ngizithole la yabo. Into efika emcondweni ukuthi yes lento yabo musimnandi lento yabilalisana kamnandi blind. Make no mistake ilalisana kamnandi. Make no mistake if ungayitaster une-stress sokuthi awunabuthongo you are in danger. You are in danger vele. Yabona sengiphezulu kompede ngiyazibuza ngiyothi sebavukile ke bona vele sebaphithizela abangikhuthuzanga. Bengineshankura vele grand abangikhuthuzanga impahla zami zinithi ku grand. First time masukubiza ngeke sikukhuthuze because it's attract
build trust.
build trust. First time introduce ama-drugsini, sizophatha grand, sizophatha clean, you will feel na ukuthi hayi mangilangisekhaya vele. That's what I felt. Mangiwanda lapha ngiyasho ukuthi lento ilalisana kamnandi, lento ishiphile. Ngale BN mus mangivuka vele ngisasenenyuku ngiyasho ukuthi mus ngabe ngiyidakile le mali le manje ngabe ngiphethe ama change. So yabona njenge out espanayo nami ngiyabona ukuthi la ngimuthi izongisavela inyuku le.
So kahle ubhekena lokusave.
Yes mina ngicela ukulobola ngilobolile by that time empilweni. Yes ngilobolile by that time incosi yami vele inabo ma 1 year ikhani ukwenza bo ma 1 year. Njengobaba ngiyasho ukuthi imali yami usizosaveke ngeBN manje at least endini ngizokhona cover nani. Yes akekho baba ongafuna ucover into zakhe endlini. So ayisokuthi lento cheaper kune beer ngizoba mnandi. Nama I made the decision ukuthi masiye BN beer ngisayifuna.
So ufuna uyadla usha one straw.
Yes la ngizosha one straw 30 rand straw C1 vele ngimnandi ngiyazi ukuthi ama-change lawa sengithenga itasha bo Ultramel nani. You see the lifestyle mosaqala even the lifestyle itself it accepts.
Yeah.
Yes because mosibona sihleli lapha emathaveni akunabhiya la phambi kwami kunekhula box inama fruit tree ngaphakathi yes that lifestyle iyodwa but mangijikela ngale move toilet ngiphethe ready made yami lana ngishaya ama-2 wami ngiyabuya ngienjoyina ngihlala kahle phansi and then when uzoba interested ufuna le lifestyle namantombazana sewajika la athanda into ezimnandi obvious.
Speaking of amantombazana when it comes to inkonzo ayikhawathi
ekhawatha Brian ekhawatha in the long run yabo in mosa icala blind kakhulu I'm sure mawuthi ankawuzile they can testify. Yes ukuthi eksena nivuka la vele umama uvuka kuce ngedola asho ukuthi hayi papa bheka bona steering uwe sana umhlaba wonke kuyakutshela ukuthi umhlaba wonke angikaze ngihlangane nalo ufana nawe the danger ukuthi uzokubuza ukuthi bawudleni izolo.
Ngoba bekungathi nje
yes obvious umuntu wakho lo yabo yes ujwayele vele ukuthi awu papa uyangikhapha ngifikele lapha uyangithola yes
umshayeli unekhaya
yes that is the danger because ayikho indoda engafuna ukusatisfy umfazi wayo empedeni. Yes nekhaya ukuthi licine vela ama-out amaningi namhlanje ankawuzayo I can say is the main reason yenza ukuthi babe addicted thize ngalelela yoshaya ngalinkawuza wadlula ngale emergency ama-agents bathi ushaya inkawuza sithi taste la ntwana uzoza ukuthi kwenzakalani nofika ngale vele umama uzobonga vele kanjalo. I can tell you one story ngene-out yami ehlala emteti into ebuhlungu ukuthi relationship manje yaphela ukawu naye waba na that experience ukuthi makohlangana nemedi lakhe washaya ama-2 vele imedi lavuka labonga going forward imedi yilo bese likhipha inyuku ukuthi ambothenga wena na ungakabhema ngalento yakho vele angizwa yes so ubro makangicocela choma ka imedi lakhe vele imedi belidabule 100 kwaze kwaba nomntwana kule relationship ubro waze waba addicted ema-drugsini hlala estradini as we speak ubro hlala estradini relationship iphelile but you see the motivation ukuthi kwaze kwagcina kwaba nomntwana ubro azagcina be addicted wazi ukuthi sexual uyayibona le things zami ukuyiveza lana so nami yangibamba le njengoba ngisho ngithi bengiceda ukuthrowa nani ngiceda ukulobola nami ngaba na that experience vele ukuthi yes nangibuye ukusebenzisa la idea ngimusi izimali la endlini ziwangaka yangithola
yakubonga mama.
Yes so mentally uba nalama reason wakho ke manje ukuthi mina ngizoyisebenzisa for ukuthi ishiphile ngizoyisebenzisa ukuthi ngingalisa kamnandi ngizoyisebenzisa ukuthi sexually ya booster my drive and then the more uyisebenzisa la for your own reasons yona iyangena egazini ke manje. Yes now shaya this weekend yangena egazini mashaya and then 3-4 months down the line uzovuka one day mawuthi uyavuka uyazi ukuthi ngathi ngiyagula man ngathi nginenyongo la emathumbini kubhlungu ngathi kuyadonseka ama-withdrawal symptoms ke manje by that time usengakazi masikuthwasisa ngeke sikutshele.
So lama withdrawal symptoms avela after how long soqalile unkawuza?
It depends on the rate and then it depends also on the quality of the substance you are using and then it depends also eskalini osebenzisayo but normally 3 months is more than enough vele ukuthi umuntu sekayifully addict makavuka ekseni vele sekazamula sekagijima inyembezi sekanama practical symptoms wonke ukuthi lo muntu lo khona into ayifunayo. Yes ngisachaza ukuthi uzovuka ngalelanga leluza ukuthi umzimba wami awusisharp khona into engihalele mara wazi ukuthi yini Yes, angazi ukuthi ayazi that feeling ukuthi kunento engihalele mara ngiyazi ukuthi ngathi le thing banjoy that feeling ngaphuma ngathi athi ngiyojika lapha ema-outnet ngiyoshaya ama 2+ la ngiyavilalisana kamnandi yabo toti ngizothi ngiqeda ukushaya ama 2 ngafika endlini ngagidla mangivuka la ngizabe sengigren ngumcemane ngaphuma ngenhlanhla or ngebhada ngazi ngithola ababophila ama-out khona lapha emuva kwakathathu ngifika vela ngizichaza ukuthi invele nami ngibamba iline ye-2 Scave Gents ngiqeda ukushaya ama 2 hayi man
yaluleka
ngezwa man ukuthi hayi man ngathi sengigren manje yabona ngiyachaza ema-outhini hayi ma-gents man mangifika la bekuso la emathumbini wami bekushisa khanda lami vele bengihlangahlangene but manje sengishayile ama-2 ma-gents ngiyazizwa ukuthi ngathi sengigren ila sizokutshela khona manje ke lapho ukuthi sesegazini
down
sesegazini intwana vele masonjalo angeke usalunga ntwana angeke usadla ungakabhemi angeke usageza ungakabhemi sizokubhalela zonke lezi zinto lezi and then the human mind will tell you ukuthi hayi bangazokusanganela lava mina I told myself ukuthi ngifundile ngihlakaniphile ngilobolile nginencusi laba lento bayenza so because uzoba namarizini wakho that wena you gonna make for yourself yes and then uzoba nalamarizini la ukuthi utshele ukuthi mina ngeke ngenze ngifane nalaba so wonke ama-out namhlanje ngicoca nawo njengoba ngisipana nama-out singene kanjalo sonke si-reachile that point yokuthi sitshele ukuthi angeke ngifane nalaba sonke vele ungacoca nabo bonke wonke wazitshela ukuthi mina ngeke ngenze ngifane nalo which is very because angeke uhambe indlela engihambayo bese ungitshela ukuthi angeke ufike la ngikhona wena yes vele practically speaking ngeke uhambe ngalendlela engihamba ngayo bese uthi wena la ngikhona ngeke ufike you can say usasele emuva because usanda ukuyicala but i-conclusion yakhona ila mina ngikhona or mhlambe ngivane ngithi mawusasena 2 months usanda ukuyicala bheka abantu abana 1 year mawuna 1 year ungaphakathi bheka abantu abana 5 years mawufuna ukuzibona clearly ukuthi where you are going bheka abantu abana 10 years ubheka abantu abana 20 years then you will see yourself clearly ukuthi wena this is where you are going i-blind idea ngoba ikhona ukutshela the way ufunde ngakhona the way wena uspecial ngakhona yabo vele kuchazela ukuthi wena you are very special audit lakho likuthanda blind vele wena ngeke uzufane laba basebenza abomamabo akusima social worker abomamabo akusiyini
akusima nurse or
ahlale emkhukhwini ekhaya kibo so mentally mayisakufaka la idea ngiphakathi ne i wrong kakhulu because izokutshela ikuveza ikwenza steering plus nathi lapha ema-outini maswaqala vele usathwasa sikwenza steering vele mawuvela lapha vele sakusukuma sokushayela amafleti sokutshela inja yami ifikile makufike yona ntwana izinto ziyenzakala wathi vele nawe uzosangana kwasanawe vele ngayo yonke lento leyo and then ngiphaphame after 4 years where I realized ukuthi hayi man la ngathi kunenkinga la it was 4 years down the line Panchinlambi ngasena fokoli
ngizosukuma nge20 minutes
ya ipanchinlambi ngasena fokoli njengoba ngikutshela ukuthi bengilecture ama gadgets bebawabona la kimi vele ngale roundini yes vele gadgets abathi kuphuma ifone so vele bengilwela vele bebazibona la vele bengiphethe panchinlambi vele ama gadgets the thing hlaphukelwa ngivele nge-TV nomatras kuphele panchini bengina even ama-drums yabona ama-drums la ukudlala esontweni yes benginawo lapha epanchini vele mangidlala amaze ngishayile vele faka abo-joya celebration yes vele ngishaya ama-drums mangiphaphama one day ngikhumbula ukudlala ama-drums wami nangithiwa ama-drums awasekho sibani shuthi that's when ukuthi qing musilaka
yini eyenza ukuthi udecide ukuthengisa something
i-down mfethu withdrawal symptoms the fear behind it is worse than the fear yokushaya umphakathi. Let me put it that way. Yes, kushuthi ngisaba ukuthi angiyobhema nalokuthi ngisaba ukuthi umphakathi uzongishaya ungibulale. Yes, I'd rather take the risk yokuthi ngiyoface umphakathi than take the risk yokuthi ngiface ukuthi angiyobhema.
Ngamane ushayo.
Yes, ngamane ngishaywe than ukuthi angitholi next ngayobhema. So the fear behind ama-withdrawal symptoms is greater than ama-withdrawal symptoms. Vele mawi-one mental uqeda ukuvuka ekuseni engqondweni yakhe iyakutshela la idea ukuthi hayi mfethu yabona manje u7 sovukile u11 angeke ushaya usaphila ngeke ashaya u11 usaphila you need to smoke otherwise uzobe sowufile before kushaya u11 ingqondo yakho mayikutshela kanjalo mawuthulalela umzimba nawe uyawufila vele ukuthi lo mzimba uyaphela vele manje vele uyajuluka uyahlanza vele lento la engqondweni iyayenzakala physically and then ingqondo mayikunjalo ifuna ama solutions the solutions efika cala ifoni yaka Brawa mehleli lapha vele yes and then angisacabanga next vele lapho vele sengicedile I decide lapho ngiyocala ukucabanga mase ngiceda ukushaya ama2 sengiceda ukwehlisa lento manje khanti sengicala ukuzisola ukuthi esani ngithi ifoni yaka bani manje sekumele ngibuyele ngiyomface manje sengenza istory vele when we are still good that mentality ukuthi kufuneka imali nothing and no one matters engene endlini zabantu futhi ungene ekamareni ku main bedroom nawuthi uvulila uyibona ukuthi la maphento akama OLED walala awuchape usho
let's now
yeah achapekila yes but because ngifuna lento engiyifunayo ne angisithengi Brawa vele ngiyawabekela le side vele nje I know ukuthi emaphentini toti shankura vele umama ngeke ahlale angashiyi 5 tiger nyana
umuntu wakhe lapha emaphentini
so then iyathatha isimilo somuntu to that extent yes manje njengoba ngasabhemi sengclean kanje when I think of those things
uyabona
ukuthi esan mara muskola yes so ngisho ukuthi mina ngiyafundisa ngeaddiction ngisale ngena kancane nje masikhuluma ngeaddiction we are not talking about ama substance asikhulumi ngenyawupe or asikhulumi ngotshwala or asikhulumi ngensango or asikhulumi ngani but we are talking about the behavior yes because ama substance we can easily flush them out singathenga umuthi okudetoxa lapha eClicks manje within a day or two umuntu usabe sesimcleanile ama substance la emzimbeni
but you can also be addicted to something else
yes but the behavior ihlala nomuntu waya as ngikhuluma la I'm still fighting the behavior I think I'll be fighting the behavior for the rest of my life that is why we consider ourselves ama recovering addicts for the rest of our lives it's because of the behavior mangithi sikhuluma ngebehavior there are people who are addicted ekudleni let me just make a practical example for wena nje okay let me ngicale cold drinking yabona umuntu addicted ku coke njengoba sihleli kanje makezi fridge ivuleka ngale ekitchen ne amabhodlela wathi ngiqingilingilingi le coke uvukela enye into lo muntu la ngaphakathi ngithola ne is the same effects that we feel thina sema drugsini bengisabacocela namhlanje masilenzansi ukuthi kunabantu aba addicted ekudleni umuntu okhona uthi makangena endlini uyalazi iplate lakhe ukuthi nali iplate lami yes but makangena thola si8 mhlambe endlini baphakelile ubaba nomama sonke he or she is the first one uzofika uzothatha ukudla kwakhe lapha etafuleni angeke afika yenze kanjalo lokalazi iplate lakhe umuntu wakhona uyofika hlola ama plate la ukuthi lo bamphakele inyama engakanani yes futhi uyocala ngela kababa because uyazi ukuthi uyothola ilast number yes that is addiction yes that is addiction enye uzoza ilume ayibeke kanje ukuthi ingabonakala ukuthi yes you can imagine mabanga kutrap uyenza lento le emzini wabantu uvakashila ushaya around nje sesiyakuthola thina wena ematafuleni bohlola iplate la kababa wena yayibona ukuthi it's dead shooting ngifuna ukuthini the effects ayafana nesomuntu nosema drugs
bona vele to ukuba addicted to something it's the same you can be a sexual or addict
yes futhi lawa dangerous kakhulu because socially they are acceptable because izinto let me make an example ngotshwala kanje utshwala is the number one substance dangerous kuna wonke ama substance that you can find but it's acceptable emphakathini ongakithi it's not even considered as a drug yes we debate nabantu namhlanje mangibatshela ukuthi utshwala it's a drug bakutshela ukuthi hayi in the difference ukuthi utshwala sibuthenga legal esitolo wonke umuntu abhekile inyawupe sithenga backdoor yes but the effects are the same the consequences are the same bengifuna ukusho ukuthi i-addiction is a behavior that can be seen by the continuous use of substance despite harmful consequences. Yayibamba ne? Yes, that is addiction. When you see someone aloka aqhubeka asebenzisa isidakamizwa noma ngabe siyamlimaza yena personally yazwa ngifaka omunye umuntu la. Yes, angifaka omunye umuntu la ifamily nani. Ngifaka yena personal mina njengami bengihlala estradini bra wami, bengidle ematasbini bra wami, bengenza nje zonke lezi zinto lezo. Yes. Skating sese lapha I couldn't understand ukuthi what was happening.
Yeah.
Yes, manje ngithe mangithola chance ukuba clean, I sat down ngafuna ukwazi ukuthi what happens to my brain kahle ngize ngiyazikena ngiclever mina awuthi ngiyazikena mina ukuthi ngiclever blind. Into engazibuza yona ukuthi dayide ngantiyenzani yona in my mind ukuthi ngize ngizithole sengisinayi kanje. Sengijwayela abashishi nje la estradini shuthi sengasange
since drugs understand ukuthi awuhlanye.
Yes.
Awuziboni ukuthi ngise dustbin, awuziboni ukuthi ngidle estradini, awuziboni ukuthi angigezi.
Uyazibona brawam. Uyazibona total out brawam. Uyazibona but I stage se addiction singisale ngena kancane. It can start as a taste. Ukuthi mhlambe siya experimenta so nama gents njengoba nami ngacala ngitest outing. Yes, and then I graduate ka stage 2. Stage 2 simbizi tolerance ila ukuthi manje ngibhema nabantu ekudala bama addict and then bese ngizibone ngathi nama I can handle it njengabo. Yang understand then ngize ngithi sibize nge-tolerance yabona mawucala ukubhema ugwayi kokuqala musuyakukhohlelisa. Your body cannot tolerate the substance.
Of course, yeah.
Yes, but the more you try, you get to a point where your body can tolerate the substance, manje. Yes, kono kushamanya maphula i3 vele manje sometimes.
Yeah.
Yes, manje your body can tolerate the substance. Manje ma-drugsini siyahamba ifike lapho kuda stage tolerance, and then the last stage manje is full blown addiction manje. Masofika full blown addiction, your body can no longer function without the substance manje. Before ngizoyenza anything, kumele ngishama thucala. Yabona nawuzomthatha manje intwana uthi azokwashela imoto la, uzokutshela ukuthi angikayidate intwana nethi ngojika lapha cala. Yes. Then lapho vele la sekuyinkinga khona, ila vele ungasacabanga nani. And then konje bengiza bengibuild up ukuthi ga tolerance uthi wena mawusese clean bese uyakwenzakala ukuthi ucompromise nomuntu okudala. Phela masongenile ngeke uhlale unemali waya uzofika la ukuthi une10 mele ugqwalise kuzibani.
Compromise when as an 20.
Yes, siyahlanganisa senzi futhi uthapeka lo muntu engicompromise naye dala yena sefieldini, and then nami my mind iyocala ukungitshela ukuthi
so sekeme
uyang understand because senkhona ukuhlalana lo muntu and share conversations and share iskefu and share everything. Masukuma lapho vele nami sengizibona njengayi automatically. And then bengiyala phakule lapho ukuthi maseyifikele ku full blown addiction size senze zonke lezi zinto sengidle ama-dustbin ngize ngithi ngiyazibona senginale point sengifikela ukuthi fuck ilife yami bangazongitshela ngizoyiphila the way ngifuna ukuyiphila ngakhona. Yes, vele awusenandaba nencosi ukuthi ekhaya bakhona rabekho. Yes, awusenandaba vele team share nje kancane ilife yami ngiyavuma, but la emhlabeni there are rules and regulations that have to be followed mawuthi nomuntu ufuna uphila kamnandi la emhlabeni.
Abiding citizen, yeah.
Yes, angeke sithi se kitchen sidla mina sengiza namanzi okugeza lapha ngikhumulile ngibeka phansi namavaslab. Yes, there are rules and regulations asimple afana nalawo that you have to follow noma kungaze kube ilife yami. So ima-drugsini sibana lento lokuthi ilife yami bangazongitshela vele ngizoyiphila the way ngifuna ukuyiphila ngakhona. So ukuthi vele noma sengitophi yapula i-dustbin straight vele ngivula i-dustbin nangithi yapula nali maybe umnikazi walo ushaya 2 bites. Yes, nangithi ngiyalibona vele ngiyalanda ngiliphendule ngapha ngashaya khona i-bites vele ngilithule la iskipeni manje vele ngishaya nge-bites manje. Yes, ngilishaya nge-bites vele khona la manje, and then abangibhekile vele into ebasengqondweni ukuthi abangiphakeli bangazongitshela this is my life nani vele ihamba kanjalo. Hamba izihluphe le ukuthi noma mangifuna igawula lakho vele ngiyakhona ukufika lapha phambi kwakho ngihlale ngibheke ngalamehlo lawo vele obobo
ukhalela
ngibheka ngalamehlo la ukuthi ungacedi iproro lapho vele mangabe ngiyabona ukuthi ngiyahluleka vele. Yes, ngaze ngenze nento ezisnacks zokukhafula vele la zanzani phansi vele ukuthi
amanga wena.
Hayi brawam.
Okay, but before sifika la because njengoba shilo ukuthi we want to focus with how to deal with addiction nokuthi kanjani nabantu ukuthi baze bafunde, because this episode is more like educational fanda. Ngifuna ukuthi nje netga fast angazi ngakhona ukusibekela ngendaba yale time walishaya lento yakuvayisa la ikasi ukuthi ugcina ufika la, but nongafuni ungayiyeka nedi bese usitshela into yakuvayisa ikasi.
Yes, khona
ne relationship yakho noma mencozi since ukuthi bosulobelile igcine iphela kanjani.
Yeah, promise like us kunelinye time yabo mfethu. Bakumasango apes yabo. Ngeke ngene kakhulu into details yabo.
Yeah.
Yes, but isikhe sasebenzisana so vele yabo. And then nga-end up ngumtshontshela yabo nendlini yakhe. Vele ngasikisa ikhiya zendlu yakhe yonke. Vele I had the keys yonke into vele yabo. So I think that is another reason yangenza ukuthi manje besengishaya amahloni kakhulu ngala igasi yabo vele ukuthi isanga besibe bangazi bengivana no-apes kanje manje sengumkangele nani sesubhekana kanjani emphakathini nani yabo. So I think leyo yadlala enye motivation yabo ukuthi nami mase ngidecide vele ukuthi hayi fuck life yami ngiqala estradini nani vele okunye bekukubaleka but yabo. Yes, okunye bekukubaleka kahle. And bese brawam mamenxusi brawam sisestradini sakhe la sikhona manje istrad sakhe kubo
uhlala la.
Yes. Istrad sakhe kubo brawam njengoba ngila yabo mamenxusi brawami mangizwa bengingasekha ngisho mina yabo but mangizwa ngathi after about 3 years wavaya ehlahleni wabachazela vele ukuthi akuse lo muntu unimtshela ukuthi mina ngimuve on life yabo shadile espeak behlala kakho plan ucubekile ngempilo
But uthi wena bongasekho kahle kusho ukuthi uwe wamjinda.
Yes yimi ngamshiya brawami ngaistradini wabo vele yazange sihlaba zange sicabane zange ikhonjwana zange kube nemjolo nana zange kube namadrama just nje mina nganyamalala ngavanga
But besekazi ukuthi uyankawuza.
But mina bengiphika brawami yabo yena ke wayezwa vele wangiconfronta live straight yabo vele hayi ngamtshela ukuthi hayi abangithanda bangitshele kahle labangani bakho bangasengikhuluma siba njalo yabo when we have to take responsibility we want people to point yabo.
Yeah, so when uvaye like us ungakajumpisi ukuthi uyankawuza.
Abanye ebe close they knew already vele ukuthi ngiyankaza abesejumpile bra besejumpile vele besejumpile kahle ngathi bengakajumpanga besejumpile ngoba nase nokuthengisa besenkinga thengisa nokuthengisa
Zona idakamizwa.
Yeah, zona idakamizwa yabo ngapha etandini vele nkinga thengisa kakhulu
ngapha uyankawuza
yeah ngapha ngiyankawuza ngapha ngiyathengisa
so mawufika eJozi ufika kubani uyowenzani uyokidla va
Ngifikisana icala yabona ukufika kwami estradini ngifikisana icala yaba angazi umuntu ke program lapha ngikeni umuntu vela ngikeni umuntu total out mara ngiyabona ukuthi hayi laba khona bangcolile la kulala khona laba bangcolile ngicline kanje ngeke bazongitshela laba ngengihluleka ukulala vele laba ulala khona ntambama ngiyachila la kuchila khona kuthengwa khona ngiyachila vele la nami ngithenga into yami ngiyabhema ngiyabalandela ntambama laba yakhona bathi bayogidla bashange follow vele yeah and then ngizazibambela uyi1 vele ngamonkawuzisanyana vele wangicingisa nethi ngakhona ukuthi ngifunda indawo ngibe grand vele nangempela yabanjalo vele khona enye out yami ngiyikhumbula vele bathi uphejele yabo ibuye Bloemfontein out yakhona ibuye Northwest yi out yakhona vele yokungwelcome acala vele estradini yangifaka aroundini vele ukufuka kwami estradini bengiphanda ngokuspinning ngokupakisa imoto vele lapha eSunny Park vele yabo lapho kule eSunny Park vele lapha eSunny Side Complex straight vele ngabathola ama-agents bazula la vele amafika vele estradini siyakubona ukuthi awuprogram ngisho ngathi ubhayizisekile yes mina ngathi I can say first day ngaba nenhlanhla ukuthi azanke ngwele emavalcheni yabo yes ngawela kulezi ezongiphatha grand vele grand zingwelcome zingibuza ukuthi inkinga yini mara obvious mele ubayenzele obvious vele sizokuphatha grand but mele uyenze and then 2-3 days 5 days anambe sengijwayele ngibona ukuthi asekenzakalani vele ayazi ke so sekhaya vele ke so sekhaya socela nokujwayela abantu socela nokujwayela ukubona uThomas angifuna ukuya eJozi musnasi istimela nangifuna ukuya kuphi vele ngize ngicwale zonke le ndawo lezi ngene estimeleni each and every time angikhalela ukungena estimeleni ngiyangena estimeleni plus mina vele ngaphakathi ngithanda ukutravel vele yes ngithanda ukubukela ama sunset kanje vele estimeleni into bengingena estimeleni yes vele ngiceda ukuthola into zami vele grand ngiyazi ukuthi ngestimeleni angeni ngaphakathi ngihlala la ngaphandle zingitofoze blind ngibukela ama sunset wami kamnandi la yes so uqinijwayela yabo and then you cannot survive empilweni nje in general not ematrax empilweni if you can't adapt as a human being
you'll never survive
you'll never cope yabo you'll never survive if vele you can't adapt you'll never survive. Njengami hlezi ngibatshela ukuthi mina noma ungithatha ungilahlele eKapa, ungilahlele eTokyo, ungithatha ungilahlele kuphi, it's still the same. Yes, ngisale ngishare nje ukuthi lento siyenza kanjani. In life you stick to basics, bro. You learn the basics. In anything that you do, you learn the basics, and then once you learn the basics, you are gone. Ama basics awachinji. Ama basics okupheka ipapa, you know ukuthi kumele uqala ubilisa amanzi masewabili ufaka impuphu uphehle after 10-15 minutes onepapa. Noma ungaye China mawenza the same thing kuzophuma ipapa. Noma ungaye America mawenza the same thing kuzophuma ipapa. Noma ungaba kuphi kuzophuma ipapa. Those are the basics. So entweni sizenzayo njengoba ubona sesigijima kanje, we master the basics and then sigijime ke. So estradini bro wami nami ngafike ngamaster ama basics wakhona nje nami ngabona ukuthi nami sengachubeka bese into esihlalisa endaweni kakhulu ugcina ujwayela abantu bese ugcina nokho abantu ke manje sekumele ubaleke manje.
Oh, that's the reason.
Yes, reason enkulu kuba ileyo vele because awuphila la kule round kuzogcina kunabantu abakuthembayo vele abaphila nawe bakhona ukuthuma ema-banking imali zabo ezihroti nani abayenza mistake ngelinye ilanga mhlawumbe bakunika leyo somar sobhemile sothuthile vele awusabuyanga ngapha sozithole sokuphi vele. So you cannot confirm indaba yomuntu odla estradini more special obhema ama-drugs, you cannot say uhlala la.
Oh
yes, or sometimes I can say ngilala lapha ngwakho mangifuna uzotshontsha la kwakho namhlanje ngizolala la estradini sakho vele lapha ekhoneni. Yes, mangifuna uzospina ngapha kule round leli ngiyadonsa itrol yami nengubo zami vele ngizolala ngapha kule round leli vele. Ukuthi la ngithi ngizospina khona immediately bacima mina ngiloyo ngihleli ngibhekile vele ngiscoutile. Mawuqeda uthatha lapho angina sekudeni ngijikela kule strategy singapha ngiyalala futhi nje khona lapha. So you cannot confirm. It's very sad manje because ngiyakhuluma nabazali abantwana baba basestradini na bro ngiyabona abangithintayo basho ukuthi isho umntana mina ngilanda isikhathi esingaka ngingamboni ugcina kwami ukuzwa ngaye bathize ukuphi but aphinde akatholakala yabo. Uma already wakhona doesn't know where to start.
Yeah.
Vele doesn't know where to start at all. Actually ukuthi last ngigcine ngizwa bathi kuphi sithathile imoto saya lapho akatholakala nga next at all. I think it's one of the challenges esibhekene now. Ngoba masifika estradini we change names. Yes, vele mawuzofika estradini ufuna uJohn Simthweni abamazi estradini vele konke la ngike ngaphila khona ungafika ukuthi ufuna uJohn Simthweni bazokumangalela. And then abazali bona they know lawo magama layo abasinike wona. So nginokuba advise mina ukuthi umzali akabe nesithombe yabo noma singabe sakudala kanjani angakacala ngubhema but akube nesithombe that will be able to see so that sikwazi because thina sibhemile cishe siyazana vele then thina sibhemile siyazi ukuthi sitholana kanjani. Mina njengamanje uma ngangitshela ukuthi ufuna sobheka umjito obhemayo I know where to start ngeke iphele 2-3 hours ngingakamtholanga vele ukuthi kuphi kanjani. Ngiyazi ukuthi baphila kuphi, ngiyazi ukuthi bazula kuphi nini kanjani, ngiyazi ukuthi bakalisa kuphi, ngiyazi ukuthi bathenga kuphi. Ekugcineni uyaskima oyi-1 ngihlezi ngiba-advise aboma-oleli ukuthi thatha oyi-1 umenze umngani wakho uyozoku-update ngayo yonke into eyenzakalayo lapha nala kunomntwana wakho khona. Yes, but siyasaba it's very difficult because you cannot take umuntu osema-drugsini wamenza umngani wakho basaba ukuthi bazokutshontshela nani. You have to be very practical ngezinye izinto vele ngoba noma umsondeze eduze you have to be very 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 careful vele because yena umuntu obhemayo I can say ukuthi abona into valuable it's a temptation vele kuye. Is a temptation kakhulu. So she's very difficult makangekho endlini singazi ukuthi ukuphi simthola kanjani. Kuba nzima kakhulu because izinengi le ndawo lezi unless otherwise masikhona ukuthola waseKaslaki. Yes, maybe siyakhona ukuthi sibe nomkhanyonyana kanjalo. So makangekho waseKaslaki ukwana sithombe is very difficult vele ukuthi uzocala kuphi.
So manje abazali mabafuna incosi zabo do you think when it's wise ukuthi abuye umfana ejardini angakabanga ready ukuthi abuye ejardini angeke ukuthi aphinde futhi game 2 avaye?
We cannot say per se yabo because there's no guarantee. Yes, ngapha recover there is no guarantee. Nami ngibona ngiyekile kanje mangibuye ekhaya ngizoyeka ukuthi ngizoyeka was not my decision. Bekuyisikhathi se-COVID vele 2019 nami ngatshela ukuthi athi ngiyobahlola ekhaya ukuthi i-COVID ayikabashaya ababhubhisa na. And then ngahlala kwaphela ama-drugs lawo bengibuye nawo from town. I had to decide up ukuthi ngibuyele town or ngiyahlala la eKasi and try to do something better nge-life yami. I got the courage ukuthi nami ngisivalele 2-3 days and then ku-day 3 ngavuka emhlanga nge-hospital vele. Vuka emhlanga hospital bangishanga ama-drip nyana ayi-2 and then nami nga-recover ngabuye ngabe emandleni ngaba semandleni because bese ngijova mina awuthami yabo vele bese ngishanga ngomjovo yabo.
Kufikela laphi lapho ukuthi okay before sifike endabeni zomjovo ngifuna sivale le ndaba yaseJozi and then usize emjoveni but before sivala I just want to know ukuthi how you were making ends meet eJozi bo spina kanjani ukuze ube sharp bowenzani sharp because bo blomarayo ngiyacabanga ublomile bo 10 years or 5.
eJozi first years mangisacala ukufika benkanga vele kuyinkunzi vele kahle straight vele nami ngafika ngaskime abantu laba abasheshile vele and then the more ngijwayele indawo bese ngiphanda nge-recycling vele bese ngidobha bese ngine-petroleum vele senginendawo zami vele la kwaziwa khona ukuthi ama-dustbin wala akhishwa yimi vele yimi engiphanda lapho vele. So estradini i-choice kuba yomuntu, choice kuba entirely yomuntu vele. You are survivor ungagangi and then ma decide ukuganga kusuke kuyi-choice yomuntu. It's not ukuthi umuntu uma kahlala estradini uyaganga vele it's a must. Ngoba khona abantu abahlala estradini abagangi vele at all bayavuka ekuseni umuntu azidobhele azigugisela labo ma-oled labo imthwalo uyakhe usize labo mama labo ukuthengisa etrobheni laba ningi imizulu kakhulu etrobheni but yazi sifuna into efast vele awufuna into efast kanje ziyakosa vele ukuthi uyoshaya ivayisi lestradini and then ama-risk amaningi kakhulu because endleleni manje akufani naseKasi akunamuntu okwaziyo ivimba yakhona 2 minutes iningi itsothi saphila vele. Yeah, isivimba yasetown is very serious vele nabakushaya ngevimba etown uthi ungabe uyophila
so manje vele
yeah zakosa brawam zakosa ungcolile yes vele siyokulanda masengcolile vele ngesikima lezo ukuthi siyokulanda 99
emini
yes nasemini nani